So this is a whole okra that is dry and grounded into powder. The measurement is 1:3, 3.5 to 4 cups. What it means is that you measure your powder in a cup, and the same cup that you use, that's what you're going to measure oil 3.5 times or 4 times. Then mix them together. This is a cold process, so I didn't heat it, but there is another method for heating. Then you leave it for a week. So in between the week, after 2 days, that means twice a week, you strain it. You will mix it together again. So just like you see me doing, then you cover it and leave it. And so when it's like 7 days, you're going to use a strainer and strain it. So I did the straining twice or so. So I did the first one, and when I did the first one, I allowed the oil to drip in. Then I discard. When I discard, I pour the oil back to the bottle to wash the remaining whatever. Then I did it. You can also even do it twice, just to get a fine oil. So at the end of everything, you just discard this. I don't use it for anything. Some use it for scrub. Then this is the end result. I have this oil now ready to be used. So this is the oil. I'm trying to apply it on my face and on my hair because I wash my hair as well. Thank you.